Hello, my name is Maria Reyes, and for my week 8 assignment, I used my 3H pencil, my B pencil, HB pencil, and 2B pencil. I used my 3H pencil to draw in the contouring of the vase, the pumpkin, and the blankets or cloths that were in the background. I started with the vase on this because it was kind of a focal point for the entire piece. So I started off by, like I said, contouring everything out. So I like to contour out the places where my shading's gonna go in. So for example, this area here, I kind of draw it in very, very lightly, just to kind of give me an idea of where it is I'm gonna go and what needs to be shaded. I then did the exact same thing with the pumpkin. I kind of just contoured it out and mapped it out so that I could know where the shading was gonna go and the highlights. I also used a kneaded eraser. I just can't find it at the moment, but I mostly used it just to make like the highlights, for example right here on the pumpkin and some parts of the vase. The cloth was probably the hardest, not necessarily the white one that was in the front. It was more of the background that was a little harder for me to actually like get the detail correct. But overall, I think it's there. Like you can kind of tell that, you know, it's supposed to be something that's supposed to be in the background. It was kind of difficult getting these two to look different because they were both black. It's just this one had a little more light hitting it, so it looked a little lighter. But I tried to just use my B pencil for this one for the darkest areas, and then for this one on top I used the 2B, and I didn't put too much pressure on it so that it wouldn't make it look too dark. And then the black area back here, I used my 2B pencil and I just went over it about 5 or 6 times just to make sure that it looked as black as it did on the picture. And yeah,